Hi, I'm Mubashir Champaganathu, the IT business consultant for the Tech Consultant. I'm welcoming all the members and stakeholders for the Society for Storytelling. I'm here to talk about the client project closure and reflection. For the proposed topic, strategies to improve the digital presence of Society for Storytelling. Let us discuss what we have done so far. I have initially a discussion with the Zoe Oliver, the administration head of SFS, and she has stated that SFS is looking forward more structured and new direction and strategies to improve the outreach program. And after the discussion, I have understand the main objective we need to focus is to build more engagement for online presence of SFS mainly in the website and the social media platforms. And the values which can be generated after creating this project is increasing in the reader and new memberships. Also build a community across the globe that listen to story and understand story. And also the current state analysis which I have conducted is SFS website traffic. By doing that, I can understand most of the people is driven to the website is through direct URL and searches, and we need some more improvement on the uh, paid marketing and social media and referrals. And also I have conducted the current analysis. I can understand that SFS have the presence in the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. By looking that, I can understand that by looking this graph, we can understand that most of the people are most of the followers is from Facebook and Twitter. We need more improvement in Instagram and YouTube as well. So let us discuss the other analysis which I have conducted. One of the analysis is SWOT analysis, which clearly identify the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. The strength of the SFS is that good community of storytelling. The weakness we need to improve is the social media platform that need consistent activity and audience. And the one more main thing, we have a good opportunity for improving our online presence and the risk analysis which I have conducted. By doing that, I understand we need some more improvement on our financial transparency and high expenses, and need more improvement on our social media engagement as well. And fishbone analysis has been conducted. On that, we can understand that less engagement less less engagement, and by understanding that, we can understand that we need to improve the increase the frequency of posters and the vibrancy and the quality of content. And the literature review has been conducted for this SFS. By doing that, I can understand that what the similar organization is doing to improve the social media presence, and how they are getting the donation as well. So by looking that, I can understand that the Facebook and Instagram is mostly the other organization using for the donation and online activities. Also the features and steps tools which help to improve the visibility. Let us discuss the case studies which I have done. I have done two non-profitable organization as my case study, which is well known. One is Charity Water and another one is Pencil of Promise. Both the organization having strong online presence and wider community that support the work, and engaging with the audience with the help of vibrant website and inspiring story, adding value to the user experience. And after doing all these, I can understand the gaps of the SFS right now. So I can identify that the consistency between the platform and the vibrancy that of the website, that is we have only 22K visitors at the moment. We can improve that by using interactive content. Right now we have the test contents, so we can see the website here. Also the quality content, if we are posting more quality content, it can help to increase our people and reach. And also the features which we can use in our social media and website, like live videos, reels and stories as well. And the promotion events can be helped to improve our audience, and the donations can be done with along with the website. We can do in the Facebook and Instagram as well. And the analytical part, we can use the analytics for doing understanding the all the social media performance and trends. With that, we can improve the reach and audience as well. So let us discuss about the pressure point of SFS, like return filing, increase in the expense, need of digital transformation. Also the pain point, we have less engagement in the social media and monitoring and inconsistency of content. We can discuss about the method and methodologies. The methods which I have used to collect data is secondary data collection like book, journals, articles and website, etc. And the data analysis I have conducted is qualitative analysis, and the methodology which I have chosen is Kanban. Now we can discuss about the solution option. I have multiple solutions like podcast, mobile application, content marketing, and paid advertisement. After doing the solution criteria like cost, audience, functionality, and resources, we have finalized two best solution. That is paid advertisement is one, like ads or sponsored marketing on a social media or online platform is known as paid advertisement. For example, Google advertisement, Facebook advertisement, like influencer marketing, etc. We can use the promote the existing post to targeted audience for better engagement. While we come to the second best solution, that is content marketing, that is used for marketing and business process of creating distribution of relevant and valuable content to attract, acquire, and engage the targeted audience. The better and quality content inspire the audience and build a better community and outreach. The benefits of paid advertisement. We can set the time, budget, and the targeted audience. For example, if we are taking the Facebook as an example, we can fix the target audience with the age, occupation, and their hobbies, and by so we can reduce the time and the cost. Also the benefit of content marketing, the benefit of content marketing is valuable and quality content for audience, and more audience can be retained for longer period. Let us discuss about the importance of testing. If the content does not connect with the audience, obviously that makes waste of time. Let us talk with the solution testing planning. Solution testing planning for paid advertisement and content marketing, which comes with 7 steps. The first step is objective. The objective is to identify the effectiveness of the paid advertising, and also to identify the effectiveness of content marketing for the uh, objective of content marketing. Let's discuss about the next step, that is task. Task comes with multiple steps. One is traffic or view. Traffic of view is we need to identify how the audience is reaching. Is it through a direct or search or URL method? Also, we have to identify how the audience is going to impress, and we can use call to action method and keyword or uh, content technique, like we can use the contents or keyword to uh, get the audience. Also we can target the audience, who is our targeted audience, also we can target that. And finally we can use the AOB testing. So what is the AOB testing? The AOB testing is the user experience or user response to the ad. How we are doing, for example, we are taking the two section A and B. Both the sections we are using uh, different uh, advertisement to different audience, and we check the response of the audience. Which one gets more response, we go ahead with that, and we remove the other one. And the task for the content marketing, along with all these steps, we have to do the search engine optimization or search ranking. And let us discuss about the third step, that is scope. Scope of paid marketing. The scope of paid marketing to test the user interactions with the advertisements, and the scope for content marketing to test the user engagement with the post and how the it is going to value the user. And the requirement for paid advertisement. The requirement for paid advertisement is mainly three methods. One is analytical tools. The analytical tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Analytics, and the platforms, platforms like Facebook Ad and Google Ads, and the content marketing team. Similarly, for the content marketing, in addition to this, we have to use two other things, that is content strategy team and content planning documentation. And coming to the schedule, that is the next step. Schedule for paid marketing, it comes with analyzing result in 48 hours If the response is not that good, we have to remove the post and we have to go ahead with the next one. Similarly, for the schedule for the content marketing, we have to wait uh, and analyze the result for months or longer. Similarly, we have to do the next step, that is assumption for the paid marketing. The assumption is understanding of targeted audience and good ad content. Similarly, the assumption of content marketing, we are understanding what the content the audience is required and how valuable to, content to we are giving to the customer. Similarly, the risk of paid marketing. Risk of paid marketing is no connection between the ad which we are providing and similarly unclear ads. And the risk of content marketing is inconsistent posts and irrelevant content and quitting of posting due to longer period. Solution testing criteria or strategy for the paid advertisement and content marketing. It consists of mainly 5 steps. So the first one, for the paid advertisement, we need to identify our targeted audience. For example, we need to identify the storytellers or people who are interested in storytelling or interested to listening in the storytelling as well. Also, whereas the content marketing, we need to identify what the interest of our targeted audience. For example, people may interested in the life changing stories. Let's move to next step, that is for the paid advertisement, customizing the test content based on the platform and targeted audience. That is, we need to keep on changing the content based on the platform we are using. For example, if we are using Instagram, we have to use video or photo contents. While coming to the content marketing, personalize the content for the audience need on each platform. For example, on Instagram, your viewer may expect to listen to the story on live video interacting with you. And let's move to the next step, that is testing using keyword and content that are eye-catching to the targeted audience. When coming to the content marketing, testing using keyword and content that generate more traffic and shares. Now we are to move to testing using a single component in A or B testing to get better result for paid advertisement. Whereas in the content marketing, we are using testing using keyword with higher rankings. And finally, our the last point for this is we need to analyze our performance for 48 within the 48 hours of content posting. By that, we can understand how much is the response in the paid advertisement. Similarly, for the content marketing, we can analyze. It may take 1 month or more. Solution test monitoring. Let us discuss what is monitoring. Monitoring is we are identifying the response of targeted audience by using different methods. So let us discuss how we are monitoring the paid advertisement. For here, we are using test metrics. Test metrics contains multiple variables like traffic, contents, share, click on, call to action, etc. And coming to the paid advertisement, the monitoring ads performs by clicks and shares, and improving ad content based on the audience traffic. If audience is using a content more, we need to keep on going with such type of ads. And using the audience preferable method, if a video generate more traffic, show more value for video content. So remove the unperforming ads and keep the performing one. And the test method we used on the monitoring is AOB testing to get better results. So let's discuss about content marketing now. For the content marketing also, we use the test metrics which are having the similar like the paid marketing, including traffic, content, shares, and click on calls. Apart from, we have additional 2 more, that is engagement and search ranking. Let's discuss about the monitoring content using KPIs. So here we are using such some type of KPIs to identify the or monitor the audience, that is like traffic, impression, time they're spending on a website or time they're spending on a social media, or searching and search ranking and engagements. And also create more content based on what the audience required, so that we can easily improve our system. Evaluation of solution testing outcome using the case study of Charity Water. Here, the Charity Water has used the Google Ad Grant to analyze the paid search result. So, while checking to the picture, we can see there is a two variable for sign up flow. This is a A/B testing. By using that, the shorter flow that collected less information have 34% more increase of click for create campaign, and also the same method can be used for SFS for social media promotion and the website as well. So let us look one more example. So here we have the promotion ad that connect with the audience. By looking to the picture, they have asking the audience that when is the last time you have cooked the pasta without a water. By asking such a question, they are inspiring people what is the importance of water in the current life. So such a unique campaigns bring more traffic. We can see that the company got a total visit of 290.1k visit. Content marketing for solution testing outcome using a case study of Charity Water. Here they have taken the content marketing for creating powerful contents for inspiring people to join the course, and they have telling the story about the real people's uh, with the real people photos and videos on the social media platform to reach the targeted audience. Also, they create their own content which could build uh, good supporters. Also, they have many campaigns linking to people like the birthday campaigns, which encourage people to start their own campaigns to requesting the family members and friends to donate instead of giving presents. That's something unique program. And coming to the another thing they have done, they have 100% of transparency that make a trust and build communication between their audience and them. So by doing all this, they also use eye-catching headlines and paragraphs to reach their uh, targeted audience. They showcase the social proofs and change made it on the numbers on the online platform as well. If they are if they are doing any charity program, anything, they always publish that in the website also. That all make them trust and clear commitment towards the community. So by looking at these two case studies, we can also improve our social media platform and the website with the help of content marketing. Solution adjustment and amendment. Use a data driven content marketing approach and analyze the existing content and check what changes is needed. Also, always keep a content marketing strategy and make content plans for a year, which will make consistency. And also keep the content closer to the organization mission, and use the right technology and tools to make it more effective like Google Analytics and Grammarly and Google Docs. Let's discuss about the solution recommendation. So on the last client blog, we have already done the solution section selection metrics. On this we can clearly understand that the potential solution is content marketing with a score of 182. So but when we are looking, the paid marketing is also one of the good option, but without adding valuable content, marketing may not add any value even though they have enough reach or target orient targeted audience. Sorry. So let us look at the solution evaluation table. While seeing on the evaluation table, we can easily understand that paid advertisement is easy to implement. How also the does not require organizational change also. But in the content marketing, we can understand that it is a medium level of implementation, and we need to create a separate team for content marketing. And also the we have gone through the smart for the last block. While looking to the smart, we can understand that content marketing is more organized and planned solution that is ultimately result in a great outcome. We have already done in the client block 3 about the advantages of solution and the limitation of solution. So by doing that, I have understand that content marketing is the has weaker limitation and more advantages, which result in long term positive impact. And also next step to recommend to client. So the first step is identify what working currently. That is how we need to identify what all the content or the post which is performing very well. We need to improve that one, or we can identify that and repost that. And next step is develop the content and marketing plan. For doing that, we need to build a strong marketing team, and also we need to plan the content strategy plan for next year ahead. And also we can update the current content to match the plan. That is the step 3. On that, we will identify unperforming content, and we'll rearrange the hashtagging and rearrange the content to make them perform well. If it is not performing well, we'll remove that from the list, and we'll go to the publishing. On publishing, we'll publish new contents which can perform better, and we'll go to the fifth step, that is analyzing. We'll analyze what all the content is performing better, and if anything is going bad, we'll remove that, and we'll keep on go with the loop. Key lessons learned. I have learned about the importance of digital presence for an organization, and I have learned how to carry out a research with the help of secondary data like case studies, journals, and literature reviews. And I have learned the analysis and evaluating the data with the help of non-numerical information, like I have done a qualitative analysis. Personal reflection. I have clearly understood my potential of what I can do to achieve when I meet a new client, and I clearly understand the process to submit a proposal to client, from the starting from the client discussion to the project submission with a presentation. So I'm concluding my presentation. I'm thanking you all the stakeholders and the members of the Society for Storytelling. Thank you so much.